Okay, so your questions are going to be based on 4 things for scratch. Okay, drawing shapes. Okay, show and hide animation, the math game, and the countdown timer. I've separated the countdown timer and the math game, even though we use them in the same application. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. When you finish the scratch questions, then we'll go to the Python questions. Okay. So
okay.
I've broken down the questions so that it's like easy for you. Okay. So in drawing the shapes with code, number 1, write a program with Scratch to draw a square. Use your pen to move, turn, and repeat blocks. Number 2, edit the square program to get a program that can draw a pentagon. You know what a pentagon is?
Yes, please. Please, can I use the same
code?
Is pentagon how many sides?
How many sides do you think it is?
7.
No.
8.
No. Pentagon.
6.
No. A pentagon is 5 sides.
Okay.
It's 5 sides. Okay. So now you edit the square code to get a program that can draw a pentagon. Okay. Then number 3, edit your pentagon program. So this time your code will first ask a user how many sides he or she wants. Then your new program should then draw a shape based on the number of what sides. That's based on the answer the user enters. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay, so that's drawing shape. So when you're done drawing the shapes, then I'll show it again, and then we look at the second question. Okay? Are we okay?
Yes, please.
Okay, so let's start with the first question, drawing shape. I'll stop sharing my screen and then you take over. Okay. So open your Scratch, share your screen, open your Scratch, and then let's take it from there. Okay, but I'll still read it though. It says that create a show and hide animation. Okay. Upload 5 sprites. Choose a background and size your characters so they do not take too much space. Okay, but sometimes the characters are quite big. So size them up so that they do not take what too much space. So 5 sprites. And 2, program each sprite to hide, go to a random position and show over and over. When the sprite hides, make it wait for 0.5 seconds before it shows. And when it shows, make it wait for 0.5 seconds before it hides. Create a variable called clicks. Set clicks to 0 every time the animation starts. Write a program to change clicks by 1 anytime you click any of the sprites. You understand?
So that's supposed to be like a score.
Yes. Instead of score, we are using clicks. That's the number of clicks.
Okay.
You understand? Okay.
Yes.
So the first part is what? Upload your 5 sprites and size them well. The second one is what? Program the sprite to hide, go to a random position and show over and over again. When the sprite hides, make it wait for 0.5 seconds before it shows. And when it shows, let it wait for 0.5 seconds before it what? Hides. Then create a variable called clicks. Set clicks to 0 every time the animation starts. Okay, and write the program so that anytime you click a character, what the clicks was changed by what? 1. Okay. Game application. Create 2 variables called number 1 and number 2. Set those variables to random numbers between 1 and 20 every time your application starts. Ask the user a math question using the numbers in your 2 variables. Write a code to check if the user answer is correct or wrong and give your user a response based on his or her answer. Do you understand?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Should I add score to it,
No,
or
the
just
question,
number one, number two?
yeah, the question only says create two variables. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure your code will keep running to give you a question after the previous one. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay. So open a new. You can save the work you just did. Then open a new Scratch file and then share your screen. So this question is on timer, okay? Create a variable called timer and set it to what? 60 seconds. Sorry, I should have been seconds here. And set it to 60, sorry. Every time the code runs, okay? So create a variable called timer. Anytime you start your code, let it go to what? 60. Then write a code so your timer changes by -1 after every second. Is that listening?
Yes, please.
Okay. Then the third, write a code so when your timer gets to 0, it says what? Time up.
Please, do I just have to write that?
You just have to write. Yeah, let it print or let it say time up. Not audio. You don't have to use audio. You just have to.
Okay.
Okay. So write a code so that when the timer gets to 0, it prints or says time up. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay.